morning everyone, this is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. Wishing all our viewers a very happy Diwali. In today's presentation, we are going to discuss about outlook of different currencies in Vikram Samvat 2080. From this Diwali to next Diwali, we are not expecting Fed to increase interest rate aggressively, and we are expecting them to cut interest rate at the later part of the year because of following reason. पहला रीजन है कि इन्फ्लेशन जो 9% था यूएस में, इट हैज कम डाउन टू 3%. सेकेंड, हाउस होल्ड सेविंग इज एट अ मल्टी ईयर लो इन यूएस. थर्ड, वी हैव सीन दैट हाउसिंग सेक्टर पे एंड क्रेडिट कार्ड के कुछ डिलिक्वेंसीज होते हैं दैट इज गोइंग हायर. एंड ओवरऑल इफ फेड इंक्रीज इंटरेस्ट रेट एग्रेसिवली, द इकोनॉमी विल बिकम वेरी फ्रेजाइल. तो अगर फेड इंटरेस्ट रेट को एग्रेसिवली इंक्रीज नहीं करेगा तो then dollar index is going to go down. So basically we are expecting 106 to 107 is going to act as a very strong resistance for dollar index, and gradually dollar index is going to move towards 103 first target hai, and second part of the year it is going to break 100 ka key level and going to move much lower. Now let us discuss outlook on euro and pound. यूरो और पाउंड का खुद का इनहेरिट स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है, बट दे आर गोइंग टू गेट एडवांटेज बिकॉज ऑफ डॉलर वीकनेस. दैट इज द फर्स्ट रीजन. सेकेंड, 2022 and 23 Europe and UK both has different kind of problem. Euro had faced war and UK had faced political problems, but initial green signals we are getting from the economy, where we are finding that economy is going to recover in both Eurozone and UK in coming days, because of which we think that Euro USD is going to move higher. First target for Euro USD is 1.09, second target is 1.12 and final target is 1.15. Euro INR की बात करेंगे, 87, 50 and 88 is going to act as a very strong support for Euro, and it is going to move towards 90 and 92 gradually. As far as GBP USD is concerned, 1.18 is going to act as a very strong support for GBP USD, and gradually it is going to move towards 1.26 and 1.30. As far as GBP INR is concerned, 100 to 101 is going to act as a very strong support for GBP INR, and gradually we are expecting GBP INR to move towards 105 and 106 kind of levels. To make a view on rupee, it is important that we track US and what is happening in Asian currencies. So dollar index, we have got a clear-cut view that dollar index is going to go down or dollar is going to get weaker. Now let us see what is going to happen in Chinese currency. Because dollar index is going to correct, it is going to have a positive impact on Chinese currency. That is the first idea. Second idea is that few steps has been taken by Chinese government in last 3 to 4 months, which is going to boost their economy. Because of this reason, we are expecting that some kind of worse news is getting over from China, and probably in next 6 months Chinese currency is going to appreciate. So we think that 7.30 का जो भी level है, 7.35 is going to act as a very strong resistance for Chinese currency USD CNH, and gradually it is going to move towards 7.23 and 7.19 kind of a level. If Chinese currency gets appreciated, it is good for other Asian currencies and it is good for Indian currency also. Now let us discuss outlook for rupee. So basically dollar index is going to come down or dollar is going to get weaker. Asian currency में Chinese currency is going to get stronger. Domestically India पे high growth है, lower inflation है, because of which we have real positive yield. Once you have real positive yield, inflows are going to come in Indian economy. Now apart from FDI, FII का भी flow आएगा, and in bond market, JP Morgan bond index पे 20 से 25 billion next year पे आएगा. Now flows are also coming in. Apart from that, RBI have very strong hands. Reserves जो है, that is having an import cover ratio of 10 to 11 months. That is all good sign. Because of all of this reason, we expect rupee to become a stable currency in coming year. Now let us understand these are all positive aspect. But in all of the positive aspect, there are two kind of risks also. पहला risk क्या है? Any escalation in geopolitical tension. That is the first thing. Second risk क्या हो सकता है? In Lok Sabha election, the ruling party do not come into power, or we get a hung government. Because of this reason, we might get a knee-jerk reaction towards 83.50 or 83.75. What should an exporter do at that point of time? Any knee-jerk reaction or any uptick momentum should be used as a selling opportunity by an exporter, and importer should not panic. Ideally, we are expecting that in coming days, the currency is going to face resistance near 83.50, and gradually it is going to move towards 82 and 81, 80 kind of levels. दिवाली है तो गोल्ड का तो व्यू बनता है. Gold, we are very very bullish on gold. There are 2-3 important reasons for the same. पहला reason है, major economies like China, Japan, they are selling US treasuries, and where they are investing, or most of the central banks are investing money in gold. So basically we can say that market में सबसे बड़ा player जो है, he is buying gold. Because of this reason, we are expecting the gold to move higher. Internationally, 1900 is going to act as a very very strong support for gold, and gold is going to move towards $2,300 per ounce. Second target is $2,600 per ounce. In Indian market, 57,000, 58,000 is going to act as a very strong support for gold, and gradually it is going to move towards 66,000 and 72,000 in coming days. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind, Namaskar, and wishing all my Gujarati viewers Happy New Year.